Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I've come to give you an update about a Nigerian man identified as Kunle Adeyoju who embarked on a journey, who went on a ride from London to Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, I've got to give you an update on him. Like they used to say that quitters never win and winners never quit. Nigerian man Kunle Adeyanju, who embarked on a journey from London to Lagos, has arrived in Morocco. Yes, it's live now in Morocco. And on getting to a hotel, he discovered his tire had been punctured by a melter. And Kule, is not letting his minor setback hinder him, as he previously did a 1-week apprenticeship with a bike mechanic and a organizer in Nigeria just to deal with such cases. So he fixed the tire back and he said, yes, hopefully it's coming to Nigeria. And right now is in Morocco. So he is very determined and isn't giving up on this journey of greatness. So Gulen planned this 25-day trip to raise funds to fight polio. Imagine if we can have, even Nigerians, we are good though, we are kind-hearted. Yes, we are kind-hearted people. If we can see people like this, and he did this not just for fun, not just to get his name in the book of Guinness Book of Record, but he did this just to do what? To raise funds to fight polio. And I know it is for many children, to be for many children, the poor masses. We say kudos to you, and we say safe trip. As you are in Morocco, we pray that you land safe and sound in good health in Nigeria, Lagos. Yes, we are expecting you. We say kudos to you. Well done.